Well, it's finally back. My late father's Omega Deville. This watch and a couple of others sparked my interest in horology and set my own aesthetic for watches. I did a video on this and I'll link that video in the description below. Ever since my dad passed away a few years ago, this watch hasn't really been working. So I took it to the Omega boutique in Las Vegas to have it serviced and refinished. This isn't a watch I intend to ever sell. This isn't a watch I need to maintain perfect originality. I just want a good running watch that looks great, that much like it was passed down to me from my late father, I will pass it down to my next generation. This isn't an unboxing per se. This is perhaps a reopening of the watch, but also a reopening of that bond between father and son. It comes in a plastic case back from the factory and a second plastic wrapper. As I take the watch out of the wrapper, I can really tell it looks perhaps as good as the day that my father bought this watch at the Omega store. They really did a good job here. I will be doing a video on this watch as well as other vintage watches that I have, but more importantly, what a watch means as an heirloom, whether a watch has been passed down to you or whether you choose to pass your watches down to the next generation. Do stay tuned for that video, and I hope you're enjoying the content on this channel. Thank you so much for watching.